These animals can freeze and revive. This is a jumping spider. Like all spiders, it produces a silk thread that it uses to catch its prey. But this spider has a trick up its sleeve. When it's cold, it literally freezes. Its body becomes stiff and it loses all movement. But once it warms up, it thaws out and then proceeds to eat its prey. Now, you might think this is gross, but it gets worse. This is a nematode. It's a type of worm that lives in the water. And like most worms, it can reproduce both sexually and asexually. But when the water freezes, these nematodes become inactive. Their metabolism slows down, and they can survive for decades in this state. But once the ice melts, they come back to life and are able to reproduce immediately. Now, you might think this is impressive, but it gets better. This is a tardigrade. It's a microscopic animal that can survive in almost any environment on Earth. But when things get really cold, tardigrades slow down their metabolism and enter a state called cryptobiosis. In this state, they can survive for years. It's bliss. And when they warm up, they come back to life, just like nothing happened.